Fog visors destroy confidence during rain and night rides. Unstable helmets cause wind buffeting and distract focus at speed. Heavy helmets tire your neck on long commutes and tours. Poor ventilation leaves you sweaty, uncomfortable, and mentally drained. Slow emergency removal risks further injury after crashes. CWRF Race Shield with Pin Lock keeps vision crystal clear. AIM Plus Multiply Shell delivers strong protection with minimal weight. Aerodynamic design reduces drag and stabilizes at high speeds. Advanced ventilation and Max Dry Liner manage heat and moisture. Emergency Quick Release System allows swift, safe cheek pad removal. Pinlock Ready Wide Visor provides anti-fog, anti-glare performance consistently. Removable washable liners ensure hygiene and lasting comfort every ride. Ride confidently through rain, night, and long highway stretches. Feel lighter, stay stable, and maintain focus at speed. Professional-grade safety standards mean peace of mind every journey.